Dane.
I don't know, I'm going out.
Don't get lost.
I'm not going that far.
This is the blizzard of 2011. It's about 9 o'clock, 9:30. And this is only yet begun.
That's the sad part.
It's only yet begun. We're supposed to have 20 inches of snow by the time this whole thing is done. Whoa, gosh, it's cold. Alright, you're crazy. I'm going inside. Yeah, I'm sure you are. God. Nut job.
I need a pair of sunglasses or like goggles. You can't look at the snow. It hurts.
You want your glasses?
No, because then I won't be able to see what the fuck I'm doing.
I can't put it on YouTube. You swore.
You can edit that.
No, I can't.
Yeah, you can. You can stop it or stop it right now.